Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty yucky in there. I left it go on purpose so I can show you how easy it is to clean this. So I already have my water in there, and then all I'm going to do is add some vinegar to it. Not a whole lot, just a little bit of a splash. See if I can do this. Sorry for shaking the camera everywhere. Okay, so just, that's it. That's all you gotta do. And then you put it back on. Oh, let's see. Down. And then you just let it run for about, I don't know if you can see the smoke, but just let it run for about 5 minutes. All right, so I'll be back after that. Okay, so I dumped the water out and now I'm ready to clean. Now, when you run it for the 5 minutes, I'll be honest, you can smell the vinegar, but it is not overpowering. So if you're worried about it really sneaking up either your kitchen or your bathroom, wherever you're cleaning, I mean, honestly, like, I don't even smell it anymore. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. No, this is gonna be difficult for me to try to get in here and hold it. So you just kind of hold on here. Well, as you can see, it's already coming off, but I'm not really putting much pressure on it to smooth. So you do is you take your Q-tip and you just start going at it. This is pretty caked on. We have minerals in our water. I mean, we have a water softener, but I don't think it takes out all the minerals, so I get kind of stuff gucked up on things. See, right here's a little bit of yuckiness. See, look at that. Yucky. I'll show you this real quick and then I'll go through and clean it and show you the... it's hard to do it with one hand. Oh, you can see that coming off. Alright, so yeah, I mean, it does come off pretty easy. Look, gross. It's all pink looking. It's like if you don't clean these, you know, yeah, you're putting your oils in there and it's supposed to be, you know, cleaning the air and stuff, but you're really not cleaning the air that much if you got this, like, this in there. So yeah, clean these things, like, the best case scenario is once a week like this. I mean, you can let it go till you can start seeing the yuckiness, but I wouldn't. Like I said, I did this time for this experiment just to show you how simple it is to get this off, but normally I don't recommend it. Alright, I'll be back once I get this all clean. Okay, so as you can see, let me hold it up here. I mean, it's clean. It took off everything. There's a little bit right there. I need to get out. How I scrape some of that off is if there's spots, I just took a butter knife and just, you know, you just get in there if you can't get it with your Q-tip or anything. Okay, so then after that, we're gonna clean in here, and you want to make sure you get down in all of this. Like, do not forget to take out your top piece of your diffuser. I mean, this is just one diffuser. I mean, whatever diffuser you have should have some kind of top piece. So, like, as you can see, look in there, gross. Don't forget to do that, and just do the same thing. Just get a Q-tip. All right, I'll be back. Nice and clean. That might need rinsed out a little bit better, but yeah. And then don't forget to get in the top of your lid too. And then once you're done, I just take like an all-purpose cleaner and I spray the outside and get it nice and clean, and that's it.